Now, session templates are a really great thing and a fast tool for us to use when we're making sessions. A lot of times, it's kind of nice when we're sitting down with a client and the client wants to do 3 different sessions. Maybe they want to do 3 different songs. A lot of times, if we have the same things or same elements that are being recorded, we can build the first session and then after that make a template from it that we can use for the other 2 sessions so that we have some sort of starting point. And for me, when I work, especially when I work tirelessly through a session, sometimes I really want to be able to capture like all the work that I did at the end of that session so that I could use it on the beginning of the next session. So like things like if I'm recording drums and I put in a mix of that drum recording and then I'm going to go do another drum recording of the same setup, sometimes I want to use a template that has that thing already pre-mixed, at least to a certain degree, that way I can utilize it. And so it's really as simple as, whatever we have here, as long as we have stuff we like here, settings, volumes, adjustments, pans, things like that, plugins, whatever's going on here, it's going to get added to that template. And all we have to do is go to File, Save as Template. And it gives us the option of including the media that's here or not. And normally we don't want it. Normally we want that template to just stay nice and empty. We can add a new category by going to Add Category. In this instance, I added one called My Templates. And the template here is just template, I'm going to call it Template Test 2. And, save it. I already had one from Template Test 1. But that means now if I close this session and I go to make a new one, as I go to make a new session, I forgot, sorry, there's a lot of media in this one. I don't want to actually do that one, so let's close the session without saving because there's just a ton of stuff going on. Let's go make a new, File, Create New. And then if we want to make it from a template, we go find that My Template here, Create Template, or From Template, go to My Template. Hey, there's Template Test 2. When we open this up, we should immediately see, I'm just going to put it here. Oh, that's no fun. I'm going to put it here then. We should immediately see it fall in line with where it should exist. And so once it comes through, bingo, it should look the way that it did before, but there's no media in it. So now we can begin recording fresh data right on here.